So the next portion of your Zero Trust workshop when looking at Windows updates is to manage and plan for quality updates for your devices. So there's a couple options with quality updates or the latest cumulative update. One of which is the expedited installation of the most recent Windows 10 or 11 security updates using only the quality update policies. And this will allow you to quickly deploy critical updates, such as security patches for zero-day vulnerabilities. This feature temporarily overrides deferral settings that you may have defined in your rings. So use that as a note of caution. But there are some other techniques that you can use with AutoPatch and some of these smart rollouts in device grouping that will help you manage your quality updates effectively month over month. Our cumulative updates are issued once a month for Windows. It's the second Tuesday patch cycle. You'll be familiar with that if you've managed Windows for any period of time. And in Zero Trust, of course, this is probably one of the key elements for you as the IT admin to keep your environment secure. And that is to ensure that your devices are protected with the latest updates as soon as possible. But we don't want to disrupt users. So there's some techniques and things that you'll have here available to you now, which I wanted to make sure you knew about, which will help you ensure your security posture is tight. So in particular, this new feature called Hot Patch is available for Windows Quality Update Policy. And Hot Patch requires virtualization-based security. If you do a quick web search, you'll find out how to enable that. Some devices have it enabled by default. But this hot patch allows you to apply the latest cumulative update month over month without a reboot. Surprising. I know it's the dream come true, but this technology is here now and available for you to use. And of course, we always know that there's just around the corner lurking something called a zero-day exploit. And if there are a 0-day and you really want to hurry up, you can create an expedited policy to get the updates issued out to the device. But just be aware that these expedited policies disregard any deadlines or grace periods that you may have set with other policies. It's the big green button, if you want to think of it that way. But so making sure that your client broker is enabled is a major key here with this. And then there are some reports that will help you understand, hey, how is my deployment of my LCU going this month? Again, these are all under the Windows Quality Updates reports. Also, having endpoint analytics enabled will allow you to see, as the IT admin, device restart frequency and maybe some reasons why a particular device restarted. Looking at it, you can see things like, oh, this machine restarted last month and it took 37 seconds to get to a responsive desktop for a user. It's up to you to think whether that's a good or not, but I think that's pretty great. But Windows hot patching is super useful and helps with the end user experience. Your go-to for your latest cumulative update portion of Zero Trust is get started with that client broker for AutoPatch. Just enable it. Any kind of software updating you do in Intune is referred to as AutoPatch. So once you have the client broker enabled, that will help with the health checks. That will get us hot patching. And then go look at the reports, see which devices are ready to go for your monthly latest cumulative updates.